So we have 2 red marbles, 2 blue marbles, and 1 yellow marble. And we want to select 2 marbles from this 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5 marbles. And we want to determine the sample space for this experiment. All right, so we have 2 red marbles, we have 2 blue marbles, and we have 1 yellow. We want to take 2 out of this 5. All right, so let's determine the sample space. So the sample space is going to be either 2 red marbles or 1 red and 1 blue. Remember that it's without replacement, so the order matters, right? Because let's just write it down here and then explain it. All right, so we first take red.